Hi folks, in today's episode I have planned to make a side dish for chappathi, rice and even dosa also. So I made this lady's finger fry. Now let's get into this video. I have taken 250 grams chopped lady's fingers. I have mixed this lady's finger with curd to avoid its stickiness. Now in the pan I have taken 1 spoon oil. Now we can add this chopped lady's finger into it. We have to saute well. We have to make it cook for a quarter. And then we have to turn it into a plate. After that, in the same pan I have added 1 spoon oil. And I have added the cumins to it. And then we have to add the chopped onions, and then we have to add the garlic. Now we have to saute well. Once it's turned into golden brown, we can add the chopped tomatoes. Again we have to saute well. Now we can add 1 spoon turmeric powder. Then we have to add 1 spoon Garam masala and 2 spoons chilli powder. Now we have to add the half cooked lady's finger. Now you can add the required salt. Mix it well. Now we have to add some water. We should not add more water because the lady's finger has already half cooked. So we have to now leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Once all the waters are dried, we can turn it into a bowl. Now it's cooked well and the water is also dried, so I have turned it into a bowl. Now the dish is ready. Thanks for watching.